This is the Pyrolance. The Pyrolance has been designed with firefighter safety and ease in use. What the Pyrolance system enables us to do is, as you can see with Eric now, Eric has got a lance in his hand. He's going to cut a hole 3mm in diameter through 6mm steel plate. As you can see at the moment, there's overspray. The overspray is there simply because that's cutting. I want you to have a look on this screen to the left hand side of me, because this is live temperatures. This is actually what's happening now within the container. While this is happening, Keith is actually working on behalf of Eric. Because Eric has got a stance where he's focused on putting the hole into that container, Keith is his eyes. So Keith is now going to be looking to see what's happening in and around the container. Already you can see the temperature has dropped. When Eric made the first cut and intervened, the temperature was riding around about 750 degrees. Now what's happened is we've got the temperature, if you look now at the bottom, we've got the temperature running at around about 56 degrees and it's flat lining. Okay, what Keith's done there is he's just ensured that water is to the blitz. You can see that steam is emitting away from the container, so what these guys are going to do now is open up the container. Keith is going to squirt water into the overhead as we would do traditionally in normal firefighting procedures. They're not worried about the steam that's been emitted from that container because that's actually over the top of them. They're underneath. But again now you can see by looking at this temperature gauge how now they're beginning to get control of it again and being able to extinguish the flame and knock the fire back. The chart now is very, very low. The temperature within that compartment is tenable for these guys to be able to work successfully, to be able to effect snatch rescue. But they're not being punished. That's the big issue. And the thing was, they were able to intervene without actually opening up the compartment in the early stages and actually entering the compartment, putting themselves at risk. As you can see, these guys happy.